Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to do a one and done smoky purple eyeshadow look. And I have not tried this one yet. I have swatched it and it's gorgeous, and I've done a one and done with this with other colors, but I haven't done the purple, and purple is one of the hardest colors to be able to blend with. So we shall see how this goes. So we're going to start off with our Essence Eye Base. And I'm going to spread this out with my sponge. Okay, now we're going to go in with my favorite brush, which is my Sigma E55. This is especially my favorite brush. Oh, look what I just did. I stuck my finger in it. That was bad. But it's no big deal, right? It's just makeup. It's just a dent. Okay. All taken care of. Make sure it's not on my finger so it doesn't end up anywhere on my face that I don't want it. I'm just going to grab some of this on my brush, preferably mostly all on one side. I did get a little on the other side because I was crazy. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to put this on my lid. And I'm going to put it on pretty thick on my lid. And then, since I got some on the other side, I'm going to try and wipe it off a little bit. And I'm going to take that side that doesn't have as much on it and I'm going to start pulling it up into the crease and up. Looks like it's blending pretty well. And anytime you don't have enough, you can just go back down onto your lid and grab some more, or you can flip the brush over real quick and put a little more on there. Wow, that's dark, huh? I think I should take some off the brush. Probably should have looked sooner. Tone it down just a snatch. I know it looks bad now, but it'll be fine. It looks bad because it looks like I have a black eye, huh? Yeah, I don't know if this one's going to work out. But we're going to keep going and see if we can make it work. I mean, there are times when it doesn't work. And like I said, I hadn't tried this one yet. But I think if I pull this up, we'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's a little scary right now, but it'll be fine. Maybe this one I'll try a little bit less. Oh, this is Maybelline Color Tattoo Cream. You guys probably already knew that, but I think I'm going to go ahead and put a thinner coat on my lid. And then I'm going to completely wipe off the brush before I pull it up. See how this one looks. I mean, we were going for a smoky eye. The only thing is, I know that this stuff, when you put it on, it is on. It ain't going anywhere. Oh, see, it's not so bad. Although it is better over here, huh? So let's just take some of this off real quick before it gets any more set. I didn't go up as high on that eye either. There, that's better. Better already. More on that bone there. What do you guys think? It's not too bad. I just need to fix that. It'll be fine, right? I did try this. I got this purple one and I got a gold one. I didn't like the gold one. When I tried it, it seemed like it was harder to work with. It didn't spread out really well. So it is kind of a hit and miss with these. The first three I got, at least two of them, the High Roller, I don't remember what the other one was. It was like a champagne color. Those two are the bomb. The Socialite, it's pretty good, but it's kind of light for me. It's kind of a light pink. I like it. I'm keeping it. I am going to take the gold back. This one, I don't see me wearing this one a lot. But we'll see. It's early yet. But I do want to fix this right there. I think that'll make this eye look better if I just maybe put a little concealer there to make that nice and crisp like this one. Yes, where's my concealer? So I am just going to take a little tiny bit of concealer, put it right there, and then take this wonderful sponge that I've got right here and clean up that corner. And there, perfectly good. I think I will put a little bit of powder on it. Just like that. And that's good. I'm going to go in with my, I still think that this one looks darker, so I'm going to put a little bit more on this one because we do want them to match. Even though I think the lighter one looks better. Yeah, I'm just going to put a little bit more on my lid to darken it up to match the other one. I heard my dog barking. I wonder if somebody's here. I didn't hear the doorbell. There, that's better. Now they look the same. I still can see a little darkness underneath that. Right there. Probably need a little more powder there. We'll just go in with our Brighten Up powder. Oops. Should pay more attention to what I'm doing, huh? There. What a save. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my liner. I'm going to use my Maybelline Tattoo Liner in Deep Onyx. And I'm going to push line because these eyes are dramatic. And I'm going to take my flat brush. This is a Morphe 432. And I'm just going to spread that between the lashes. Pull it up just a little bit to make a smudgy line for my liner. And now, since I'm going to put lashes on, because these are dramatic eyes, they need some lashes, I'm going to use my Wander Beauty mascara, Mile High mascara, because it is the blackest black. And I'm going to give them a quick curl and just a quick one coat of mascara to turn them black so they blend right into my fake lashes. So I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to pop on some lashes. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final look for our one and done purple smoky. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. I do need new lashes though. These ones were a little difficult. So I'll be throwing them in the trash can and purchasing new ones since I haven't worn them in forever. Anyways, I like it. I like now that it's done. I told you guys, you can't tell. When you first put it on, you look like you had a black eye. But now, don't you think it looks good? It's my only purple shirt that I could find. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it on all your social media. Also subscribe before you leave and hit that little bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!